Hi, my name is Chris, or CJE1985 on the Mouse Droid Builders forums, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Arduino IDE on your computer so you can get started with Shadow. So the first thing we need to do is download the Arduino IDE. We do that by going to arduino.cc, clicking on Software, then clicking on Downloads. We scroll down, and you need to download the appropriate IDE for your platform. So if you're on Windows, download Windows, or if you're on a Mac, download Mac OS X, or if you're on Linux, download Linux. So I'm on a Mac. We're going to download Mac OS X. We're going to click on Just Download, and that will get the download started for the IDE. So while that's downloading, we need to download another piece of software. That's the actual Shadow software itself. So we go to github.com/ChristopherEdwards/Shadow. We click on the green button that says Clone or Download. We click on Download Zip. This contains the Shadow software and all the libraries that we need to get started with. This also was the spot where all the latest code will always be at whenever I make updates or take in other contributions from other builders. It always will go up here to GitHub for that. So there, the IDE has just finished downloading, so we can go ahead and extract it by clicking on the icon here in Chrome. So now it's going to go ahead and open it up for us. So we're going to install the application on a Mac. We're just going to drag and drop it to the applications folder. We want to replace it. And then we want to go ahead and extract the Shadow Master zip file. That creates a new folder called Shadow Master. We double click on that. We double click on Shadow, and we double click on shadow.ino. This should automatically open up the Arduino IDE for you. In our case, we need to hit the open button again to tell it that we know where we got it from and that it's an okay application to run. Okay, so it started in the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and maximize this so you can see everything. So I'm not going to dive into the code. That will be a different video. So I'm just going to show you how to install all your libraries. So we go to Sketch, Include Library, Add Zip Library. We go back to our Downloads, Shadow Master, Libraries. There's only 3 libraries out of all these that we need. We need the USB host shield. This contains the PS3 BT library. And so if you see down here, it says library added to your libraries. Check include library menu. So if we go to Sketch, include library, we can see that we have the USB host shield library here. So there's 2 other libraries that we need to have. So we're going to do this 2 more times. So we're going to download Shadow Master, libraries. Next one we need is the MP3 trigger. This is the library for the SparkFun MP3 trigger. And so if you happen to use the other one that I currently support, which is the MDFly MP3 trigger, we can go ahead and install that library as well. So we go to Libraries, insert MP3, and hit Choose. So all the libraries have now been added that you need to run the software. So the next thing that we need to do is make sure everything is set up correctly. So we do that by going Sketch and Verify Compile. This will go ahead and compile the sketch. This will verify that all the libraries have been found and that working code is indeed available for you to upload to your Arduino. So you should see done compiling, and then you'll see some like text down here at the bottom that says sketch uses some number of bytes of program storage space, and it'll tell you the maximum. That means everything compiled like it should. So now all the software is ready to go. Now you can continue on with the next set of videos that will actually put the sketch onto your Arduino device and allow you to attach it to your mouse